Welcome to this presentation on determination of the conformation of the 2OH group in RNA by NMR spectroscopy and DFT calculations. This research was conducted by Senada Nozinovic et al. And published in 2010. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of RNA, a molecule often overshadowed by DNA, but equally vital for life. RNA is like the versatile Swiss Army knife of our cells, involved in everything from building proteins to regulating genes. But to truly understand how RNA works, we need to see its intricate 3D structure. One tiny but incredibly important part of RNA is called the 2OH group. It's crucial for RNA's shape and function, yet it's been notoriously difficult for scientists to study. Imagine trying to understand a complex machine when a key component is always blurry or invisible. Did you know that RNA is involved in over 80% of all known genetic diseases? Understanding its structure, especially this elusive 2OH group, is therefore paramount to unlocking new treatments. So, how do you study something that's practically invisible? Our team developed a powerful new approach. Imagine trying to understand a complex machine by only looking at its shadow. Our new method is like using a special X-ray and a super smart computer to build a 3D model revealing every hidden gear and lever. We combine two advanced techniques, nuclear magnetic resonance or NMR, which is like a molecular scanner that listens to the unique whispers of atoms, and density functional theory or DFT, which are powerful computer simulations that predict how molecules behave. By carefully measuring specific atomic signals called 1-JC coupling constants with NMR, and then using DFT to interpret these signals, we can create a precise map of the 2OH group's orientation. This works even when the 2OH group is rapidly moving or exchanging with water, making it undetectable by older methods. And the results were truly exciting. Our molecular fingerprinting method proved to be incredibly effective. We found that these 1-JC coupling constants are highly sensitive to the exact orientation of the 2OH group, acting like a precise compass for its position. By comparing our experimental NMR data with the predictions from our computer models, we could accurately determine the 2OH group's conformation in various RNA molecules. This was a breakthrough because it allowed us to see this crucial part of RNA in complex structures, like a 2,7-NUCLEO TIDE riboswitch, where previous methods had completely failed. It's like finally finding the hidden key that unlocks a secret chamber in a complex castle. So, why is this important for the world today? Understanding the precise shape and orientation of the 2OH group isn't just an academic exercise. It's absolutely critical because this tiny detail dictates RNA's overall 3D structure, how it folds, and how it interacts with other molecules in our bodies, such as proteins or potential drug compounds. Think of it this way. If you want to design a key to fit a lock, you need to know the exact shape of the lock's tumblers. Similarly, knowing the 2OH group's conformation helps us understand how RNA functions normally, how it might malfunction in disease, and how we can design new drugs that specifically target RNA to correct these malfunctions. This new tool significantly accelerates our ability to explore the vast potential of RNA, opening doors to entirely new therapeutic strategies. Looking ahead, this research isn't just about understanding molecules, it's about improving lives. In the next 5 years, this fundamental insight into RNA structure will directly contribute to developing smarter, more targeted RNA-based medicines and diagnostics. Imagine more effective treatments for viral infections like the flu or even new pandemics, precision therapies for genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, or innovative approaches to fight cancer by interfering with disease-causing RNA. This research provides a crucial piece of the puzzle, empowering scientists and pharmaceutical companies to design drugs with unprecedented accuracy, leading to personalized medicine and a healthier future for all of us. It's a small step in the lab that will lead to big changes in your daily life.